Now we want to work on the final checkout page. So when a user clicks here, we will display the same details in a slightly different format, and then we will ask for the user details and we will have a button to place order. So for that, let me close the application, and inside the cart controller, we will add a new action method which will be checkout. So right here, we'll copy that and we'll paste it right before the function. So this we will call checkout. It will be HTTP GET by default. That doesn't matter. We will do the same load again and populate the checkout view. Let me add the view here. We will call that as checkout. Then let me close everything else that we have open. Whoops, let me open the checkout view again. Inside cart, we have checkout. And then all the CSS and JavaScript, I provide that in snippet. So I have inside section 11, checkout UI. We will copy this and paste it right here. First thing that we need to work on is what will be the model. That will be mango.web.models. We have our cart DTO. Then we will be displaying all of the details only if the model is not null. So right here, we will add an if condition and we will check if model is not null and if model.cartDetails.count is greater than 0. I will close this at the very end right here. Then inside the form, I want 4 properties to be hidden. So we will add the input ASP4 for all 4 of them. We want user ID, coupon code, discount total, and order total. Because those we won't have inside the input field, we will need them in hidden properties. After that, we need to capture all the details from the user, like first name, last name, email. So we will be binding that using the ASP4 tag helper. This is cart header.name. Let me just copy this and we'll paste them. For the last name, then we have email, followed by phone number. Next we have the pickup time. This one will be special because we'll be using some JavaScript to add a datetime picker. Because of that, I have added a class here with the name of form underscore datetime. We'll come back to that in the later video. Then we have the cart number, CVV, and expiry. After that, we scroll down and we are displaying the product details. Let me go to the top for a second and notice all of the hidden fields. I also want another hidden property for the cart header ID. So right here, we will have the cart header ID. Looks good. Then for each of the product that we have in our details, we will require a for each loop. So right here, we will say for each and variable cart obj in model dot we have the cart details. I will close that after the HR right here. In order to get the name, we will need the cart obj. So @cart obj dot product dot name. Then we have the price. We'll add the $sign, display the price. You can also format the string here. I'll keep it simple. We have the count of the product and we need order total. Order total is inside model.cartHeader.order total and we will format that. Next, we want to display the discount if that is available, and we can copy the code from our cart index. Right here, we'll copy these lines and paste them. Perfect. If we scroll down, we have the place order button and that looks good. So with this, let me run the project and see how it looks in the UI. We still do not have the datetime picker, but we will add that in the next video. So let's go to our shopping cart here and let me hit checkout. Great, we have entered the details, Pickup time, we have this dummy, but we will fix that in the next video. If we go back with the coupon, and if we check out, great, we see the discount. So everything is working as expected. In the next video, let's add a date time picker.